In this video, we're going to talk about administration and logging in Slurpit. So on the main page, if you expand this section, administrator, you're going to see a bunch of options. The first one is API keys. If you want to generate any API key, you go to this section and give it the right access and generate your API keys. This is used for plugin connectivity, and also if you want to authorize against this device and you want to use REST APIs. The second option is device finder. You probably are familiar with this already. We have rules and transform rules, which we cover in a separate video. We have the task scheduler, and you're going to run your plannings against the devices from this tab. Also, you can do the same from the main page, and you can also do it from the devices section here. And you can manage the users and vault from these two tabs as well. Now let's go to settings and see the different options in settings. I'm going to go to settings and let's start with the general tab. Here we are going to specify how many days we want to keep the logging data. In this case, it is 5. We can also optimize the database, meaning we are going to remove the history records older than 1 day. And it is currently disabled, so we're not going to do database optimization. We can also do automatic device cleanup, either disable it or remove it altogether. And we can specify the number of days here, maybe 15. And basically, if the device was not reachable in 15 days, we are going to either disable it or remove it. And the last one is removing error checks from TextFSM templates. And yes, it is enabled. And this is going to mitigate unusual behavior when retrieving data. Now let's go to the authentication tab. So the auth tab currently has only one option, and we can say password complexity either no or yes. Basically, this is going to force the user to put something that is compliant with this policy. And if we choose something very simple, then the system would not accept our password and forces us to retype the password with something stronger characters. Now we also email here. So I'm going to go to this section and we have some self-explanatory options here as well. Now the last one is plugin. So in the plugin section, you have the option to put in the endpoint for your plugin, either Netbox or any other plugin in the future that we come up with. This is the plugin URL. This is the API key, which needs to be generated from administrator. And authorization type currently is Netbox because this is a Netbox plugin, a Netbox endpoint. And we currently have another option, which is an Autobot. And we can also tell Slurpit to sync which data with Netbox. And currently we have all these parameters in sync, meaning Slurpit would send everything that you see here to Netbox. So that was it about administration and logging. I will see you in the next one.